Hello everyone, this is Raptalsa Vlogs. This is my European tour with my friend Lizette Diquito from Canada. So stay tuned. Please watch this video till the end so that you can see our European tour from Switzerland to Germany and France and vice versa. So see you later guys. Enjoy watching this full video. Bye bye for now. Hi guys, this is my European tour vlog from Germany all the way to Germany and France. So I am starting my trip from Zurich.
Hello everyone, this is me. I'm right here in the Zurich International Airport of Switzerland. In this airport, Zurich International Airport, you can also take your trip to international road in Europe. Under the ground of this international airport is also the train station. So right now, I'm going to the underground to take my trip to Basel city in Switzerland by SBB train. So come with me and join with my Swiss travel vlog. So in my right side is the bus station. So you can take these buses to your next destination. Okay, see you later guys. So this is the Switzerland here. Look at the flag. So I'm going now inside to the Zurich International Airport. Bibili ako ng ticket. I'm going to buy my train ticket going to Basel city of Switzerland. I'm now here in the departure area now guys, here in Zurich International Airport. So look at here, let's take a look at the beauty of the airport of Zurich. So now I'm going down to proceed my trip to Basel city. Underground here, let's take this escalator going to the basement, and that is the train station of SBB, Swiss Speed Train. Guys, I'm now right here in the departure area of Zurich International Airport. Over there, this is the immigration. Now I'm going to my next trip to Basel city. So you can see this left here escalator. This is going to the underground, which is the train station going to the local and your international road connecting other European countries. So see you later. I'm now going to the SBB or Swiss Speed Train office to buy my ticket and get some information about how to travel by train to another European countries. So this is the SBB office guys, look. Hi guys, this is the Zurich main terminal station. So I'm waiting for my two friends. We're going to the Basel city. So this is it. Let's take a look. This is Zurich city guys. Look at here. So let's take a look at the beauty of Zurich, Switzerland. Right now I am here in the departure area of the Zurich train terminal, main train terminal. We call it Zurich Open. So it's a busy morning, many passengers here going to the different areas of Switzerland. and to Germany and France. See you guys!
Dito na ba?
Oh, papasok na kami dyan. Unexpected bonding with my friend Lisette. Si Miss Lisette still available. So we are here now in the train going to Germany and France from Switzerland. So ito ang mga Cyprus girl. Unexpected moment. Mga kalugid na. Kini ang mga bisdak mga Bisaya. So mga trying hard, still survivor. So mamaya guys, see you later. We're on the way to... Saan tayo sa Germany? Sa France?
Sa Germany.
Sa Germany. And then, first point namin din in France. So all the way from Switzerland, Germany to France. So, mga turista. Mga bisdak turista tayo. So pakita namin yung daanan namin. No? So yun ang mga speed train ng Switzerland. Swiss speed train ng Switzerland. Mga special passenger kan wala sa buhok. Wala tayo sa walang September. Marami nagreklamo. Hi guys, we are now here in Basel City in Switzerland. So we just arrived from Zurich. So now we are bound to Germany. So ito yung mga turista from Canada and Switzerland. So this is the train station, main terminal station of the Swiss speed train. Look at here, daming mga turista. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, we are now here in Basel main terminal. And now we are proceeding to the Germany station. So ito yung aking friends, Lisette from Montreal, Canada. Welcome to Switzerland. So ikot natin siya. Ito yung aming mga turista kasi kailangan mag-video, may souvenir. Ayan. Oh. Hello sa mga Canadian dyan. Dito na si Lisette. At saka hello sa mga taga Cyprus. So we are from Cyprus, no? So nandito ako sa Switzerland, siya naman sa Canada. So nandito nagkikita muli, what a small world, from Cyprus to Canada, Cyprus to Switzerland. At ngayon nandito kami sa Germany. So ikot natin yung turista. So ito yung mga turista dito at Switzerland. Yan lang para makita. Sige na, ikot na tayo. Punta na kami sa aming next destination is Germany, the Deutschland. Susunod na lang tayo na baka. Sige na, dito na ka. Yan ang aming sasakyan, European Tour. This is Basel train station, guys. Ito, Switzerland. Dito na kami guys. So this is Basel, Switzerland. Tour po kayo dito. Ayan. Ang aking bodyguard. At the same time, natin naman ang bodyguard. Parehas kami mga talingot guys. So kung hindi natin subukan, if we will not try to explore other places, other countries, so we don't know what is in that country.
Yes.
So trying hard lang. So let's explore while we are still strong and we can walk and we have chance. Hello. We are already here in the 3 border countries of Switzerland, Germany, and France. So in our backside, the building of a shopping mall for the 3 countries, France, Switzerland, and Germany. So right now we are standing in the German border, and you can see the flag over there, the German, France, and Switzerland. So I am with my bodyguard, my friend Lisette Dikito from. Hi guys, this is now the Germany. We are now in Germany. This is our Europe tour today. Right here we are in Germany. In my backside, that is the beautiful typical building of Germany. Now we are going to proceed to the France border. Okay, ciao. Goodbye France. We are leaving for Switzerland and Germany. So it's a very lovely France. Say hi and goodbye.
Goodbye France.
Goodbye, France. See you next time.
Next time.
Thanks for the beautiful city. Ganda rin, no? So, maswerte tayo. We are lucky today because the weather is good. So, it's sunny. So, ina-expose ang mga beauty namin ngayon. So, ito, magala-gala muna kami. This is our farewell video to this lovely city of Honig, France. So, at last, nakarating na rin kami ng yan ang sinasabi nilang France daw. Kanda yung France. So, dito na kami sa France. Oh, Paris. So, at least, hindi na tayo ma-ignore. Nakarating na tayo ng France.
Nakarating ka na.
So,
Nakarating ka na kasi mas malapit ka nga lang dito.
Sabi nga nila Franceses daw. So at least nandito na kami. Thanks for the visit. Kaya nakarating ako ng France because of Miss Lizette. Bye! See you later. Panoorin nyo ang aming buong tour of Europe from Switzerland, Germany, and France. And to be continued, mag-tour pa siya ng Italy, bound to sa Milan, and go to Rome, and going back to Canada. So, this is the France bordering Switzerland and Germany.
I'm here now in France. Oh, there is a museum. Museum, yes. We're gonna go and look inside. Here. Say hi. Yes, it's our day today. So because tomorrow I'm leaving also going to Milan. So it's our day today to bonding.
This is the border of Switzerland. From this Rhine Center, a big shopping mall of Germany, France, and Switzerland. So we are now here in the bridge. So this is the border of Switzerland. Hanggang dito lang. So from this side is Switzerland. So in this water, the river, this is already France side, French corner. So mag-explore kami dito. So nandito kami ngayon ang dalawang turista naglalala. Hi everyone, we are here now in France.
Yeah, we're in France now.
Wow, instant! So we are exploring the 3 European countries today, from Switzerland to Germany and the France. So right now we are in France. So dito na Franceses na. Franceses. See you later. The different types of French wine. You can go to Lidl or any other supermarket. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi guys, this is the drop main boat. It's a container for keeping the wine. So dito nila nilalagay ang kanilang mga wine. So this is a long-lasting container for the best wine. So, hi guys, you are now here standing in front of this B&B hotel. This is the branch of our hotel where I am working in Switzerland. This is the hotel in B&B, Germany. Yes, so, we are leaving Germany. This is now Germany part. And in front is Switzerland now. Ikot mo yan. That is Switzerland. Okay, see you later. Kasi bawal ang magpa-picture. busy at the restaurant. Welcome to France. Foresta from Canada. Finally here in France, in this beautiful museum. Paket ko doon. Sige dyan, para matapos ka na dyan. We are now here in the train going to SBB from Basel, bound for Zurich. Video na lang kita dyan kasi nagbawas na ako ng video para makuha ka sa mga. So we are now heading to the train station, guys, after this bridge. So look at, this is the river Rhine, Rhine River, I think so. This is the Basel city overview. Wow, it's so unique. Unique ang mga building nila, no, diba? Wow, amazing. Look there, over there. Tingnan mo yung mga building dito, no? Ganda, no? So super. City tour of Basel City, guys. Ito. City tour in Basel City, Switzerland. Listen. Hi guys, we're now here in Basel. We're back at Zurich. Zurich International Airport. So we are heading to the main train terminal of Basel City. Thank you for watching our travel tour with Miss Lizette Dikito of Canada. Right now. Ayun ko na yun na building. Unique, no? Unique. Ano kaya to? At saka ito, ganda siya. Unique building. Guys, we are leaving now for Zurich International Airport. So right now we are still here in Basel, city of Switzerland. This is the main terminal station. So, while waiting for our departure, so mag-pictorial muna kami mag-ikot-ikot muna. So, this is a Europe tour from Canada to Switzerland, France, and Germany. So, ikot-ikot dito na itong bulaklak. Dito tayo sa may flowers. This is summer flowers. Red flowers. So finally we are here in this Meininger Hotel. So dito naka-check in si Lizette.
Yes, yeah. Friend, halika. Sandy. Hi, we're here in the Museum of France. Finally, nakabisit na kami.
That's our moment. We don't know about it.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
Military history. This is the history of the food. So, see you later, guys. Bye-bye. So guys, I'm finally here in the France, in Saint Louis, France. Gala-gala ako ngayon. This is my travel vlog featuring the France with my beautiful friend from Canada. She's a Canadian, Pinay. See you later. Maggala-gala muna. Ito ang mga turistang mini. Hindi mini, oy. Nakarating tayo ng France, mini. Kanya, mga trying hard tayo. Trying hard na mga turista. Thanks God for all
For all the blessings also that we have received. So we're here.
Especially the good health. Yes. Maraming problema, mga trials.
Yes.
So, kakayanin para sa pamilya. Oh, we are here. Punta kaya tayo dyan.
Dinner time.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this travel vlog all the way from Switzerland to Germany and France. So if you like this travel vlog, just leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Rob Telsa Vlogs. God bless everyone.